The gay Igbo man who is juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. We are unbothered on here. We are doing what we are doing. The weather is up and down in Manchester today. I want to run to Asda quickly. I want to get some stuffs for the flat before I start my day. This weather, I don't understand. It's a really cool weather today. The problem is that when you are under the sun, it's warm, and when you are not, it's cold. I need to rush to Asda to buy literally rubbish because I haven't been doing the right things when it comes to my food. I just walked past where I used to live. It's a new development here. Anyway, let's go to Asda quickly. It's so weird how some people react. I saw someone and I'm sure the person is from Nigeria. The way this person was just trying to feel awkward, the way they were reacting. Maybe the person is new in this country. I don't really care. I don't have to say hi to you. You don't have to say good morning to people. You're not obliged to say hi. You don't need to hide your face. Let me just go and do what I need to do because buy my stuff and face my front. I did not buy the things I was supposed to buy. I bought this water, sourdough bread, this tuna salad, olive fry light spray, eggs, whole milk, avocado, breakfast drink, and then this rice. Those are the things I bought. Thank you so much for spending the morning with me. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.